How to develop 15 oil cues? It is one of the biggest questions in the mind of candidates who are preparing for Armed Forces examination, officers entry. So, dear cadets, here I am going to help you to find out some reasons. So, what are the consequences on which you are going to develop your qualities? A very common concern, what is being sought for in officers like qualities and SSB, always comes in the mind of SSB aspirant. It will be a complex task for a candidate to learn the 15 oil cues, then understanding their definition and go for the assessment. So, dear cadets, there are three modes of learning. Number one, knowledge. Number two, a skill. Number three, traits. And when we are talking about traits which are required in officers like quality, then the preparation must be different. In a very simple language, I would like to extend my words in such a way. Officers like quality short in SSB develops in routine life over a period of time. So the aspirant should understand that an average candidate getting selected could have in his or her career done in the following. So let me explain you something. Suppose self-confidence is one of the oil cue trait which is required. So do you know one thing, that self-confidence is the quality which requires your self-know and decision-making component. If your self-know and decision-making component are not good and equal, then you can't talk about self-confidence. So that I am talking about in the routine life you are going to develop the quality. So if you talk about what are the routine life on which candidates should focus more, firstly I would like to go with your student career life. So the first point should be studied sincerely and understood what was being taught by your teachers. Next, candidates are advised to play some games and done some physical exercises which makes their physical endurance which are required in armed forces. Next, I would like to suggest you to have a reasonable organizing life involved in organizing some events at your home, school and colleges, as it uplifts your organizing and planning ability, which is one of the important trait in oil cues. You must have your friends at your school, college and have good relation with your family members. He or she would have been helpful in social relation and would respect and regard others. It shows your social acceptability and adaptability. You are also advised to involve in some leadership role like house captain, team captain, prefect, etc. to develop abilities and possibilities to influence a group, work effectively as a leader, as a subordinate and as a team member. You are also expected to inculcate the qualities like willpower, determination through various tough time faced at home, school, colleges, such as examination, extracurricular activities, or somehow deadlines are set up by the teachers. So in that respect you can show your pressure bearing habits. Next, you are also advised to have some hobbies and interest. So students are somehow confused in hobbies and interest. Hobbies that you pursue in your daily life and interest that you want to pursue in future. So you should have something and would have been involved in some extracurricular activities. Extracurricular means which is apart from your academics and sports. So next I would like to advise candidates should have their reasonable interest in knowing about international, national events and social issues, as it uplifts the day-to-day current affairs which are even required in written examinations too. Now I am going to talk about certain reasons on which candidates do not develop these qualities, though they are planning to go for the best institution, but unfortunately the institution cannot develop such qualities. So what are these? So have a look. If you have led A marks obsessed, no sports, no extracurricular activities, a tuition oriented life, and then there are chances of having personality deficiency. Now, let me talk about the bitter truth. No coaching academy in the world can develop deficient OLQ sort in the SSB, as so many of the institutions are claiming that their result is high. It is because of the candidates who are being groomed earlier on the basis of the quality component that I described earlier.